guys, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel if you are new here. So today I am super excited because I'm going to be doing a first impression and review on the new Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. I'm a really big fan of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation range, so I'm really excited to try this concealer today because I'm sure I'll like it. I love all of the other foundations. So this concealer says that it's a light capturing self-setting concealer, which is really exciting. One of my biggest pet peeves is when foundations or concealers don't set and they transfer onto my clothes, or if I just touch my face or have to blow my nose or something. I really don't like when my concealer or foundation transfers. So I'm hoping that this guy will set down enough that it won't transfer. Something I really like about Makeup Forever's foundation range is the shade range that they have. They have like a ton of different undertones and skin tones in their foundation ranges, and the concealer is no different. Like this number 10 guy right here has more of a cool undertone, I would say. Number 11 looks a little bit more neutral. It's kind of would work for both cool and warm. And then number 12 definitely looks more warm. So I think if you guys have like a cool or warm undertone, you'll be able to find something that works for you in the Makeup Forever range. I think for today, I'm going to actually try all three of these shades, numbers 10, 11, and 12. I'll probably use number 10 under my eyes to highlight and just like on any other areas that I want to highlight. Then I'll use a number 11 on pretty much my whole face, and then number 12 is a little bit darker. I don't know, I might contour with this or just use it to add a little bit more color to my face. I love mixing things, and honestly I think all three of these shades would work for me if I combine them, so I'm really excited about that. If I had to choose one though, I'd probably go with number 11 and 12. So 11's more like my winter shade, and then 12's more of my summer shade, a little bit darker. I know summer shade is like super light. I don't get that tan in the summer, so I think these two are probably my top picks if I were to buy concealers. If you guys are similar shade to me, I would definitely go for number 11 or 12, and these are both suitable for a warm undertone, which is what I have. So lately I've been just wearing concealer. Sometimes I just wear foundation, but honestly I don't need both. My skin's starting to clear up a little bit, so I'm just gonna try the concealer today. But first I am going to start out with this primer right here. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm really not good at camera stuff, so hopefully you can see the bottle. I mean, it's white, so it's hard to see, but yeah, it's the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Hydrating Primer, so I'm going to start out with this guy. I definitely have more of a dry skin type, so I'm a fan of this primer right here because it gives me some hydration before I put on my makeup. Alright, so now that my face is primed, I'm going to start off by taking the number 11 Ultra HD Concealer, and I'm pretty much just going to use that on any spots that I need coverage on my face. I have a lot of discoloration around my mouth, so I really like putting some concealer there. Also the redness around my nose. Got some acne scars on my cheeks. So I mean, I pretty much use concealer as foundation. I mean, they're both just cream products that, you know, cover stuff on your face. But I just feel like I don't need foundation and concealer, so I'm just going in with the concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my skin. So that is just one light layer blended over my whole face, and I really like how it looks. Sorry about the train noises if you guys can hear that. I really need to get like a mic or something so that my audio is a little bit clearer, but I just haven't yet. But anyways, I really like how this one layer looks. I didn't really put too much on my under eyes because I want to try out the lighter shade just to highlight my under eyes. So I'll try that right now, and I'm also going to put a little bit of the number 12 shade on like my contour areas just to give some more dimension to the face. And I just want to mention that this is definitely not necessary. Like if you guys are going to buy this concealer, just get one shade. I just was sent 3 and I wanted to try out all 3 shades, so that's why I'm doing this. Alright, so that is the other 2 colors added onto the face, so just a little highlighting under the eyes. And I think it looks really good actually. Like it's a very natural natural coverage and natural finish, which I love. So it looks pretty much like skin. It doesn't look too mask-like because it's not that full coverage. I would say it's more of a medium coverage. And the finish is, like, it did set. It's not really transferring onto my fingers. Yeah, I'm liking it so far. I'm definitely excited to see how the rest of my makeup applies over top of this, because I think that can be like the true test sometimes. If your foundation's too liquidy, it might slip around when you're trying to apply the rest of your stuff. It might react weird to your powders. So I'm definitely excited to see how this turns out with the rest of my makeup on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and I will be right back to give you guys my final thoughts on the Makeup Forever concealer. Alrighty, so I am back. I finished off the rest of my makeup, and now I am going to just let you know my final thoughts on the new Makeup Forever concealer. And in case you're wondering, this makeup look will be uploaded before this video, so I will have it linked in the description box below if you wanted to check it out. I just did like a nice holiday glam look. So it definitely did self-set, which is one of its claims that it makes, except for on my under eye. So I didn't set the entire face, I just set my under eye with some of my MAC powder. But it was really nice that I didn't have to set my entire face. But yeah, overall it's just a really nice natural coverage. It's a natural finish. It looks really nice. I'm a big fan of the shades that I got. But yeah, thank you to Makeup Forever for sponsoring this video and sending me the new concealer. I really like it. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, definitely let me know down below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you guys have a happy holidays, and I will catch you on my next video.